Good morning mga ma'am and sir. Papasok tayo ngayon sa trabaho at meron akong naisip para sa aking mga staff. Since naka-sales target naman kami last month and kahit na walang assurance kung makakakuha ba kami ng incentive, ako na lang yung manlilibre sa kanila. Since deserve naman ng lahat ng staff ko na matreat sila kasi ginawa nila ang best nila para ma-achieve yung sales target namin. At the same time, best in drive-thru din kami all over the market in Qatar. Number 1 sa McDonald's ang Almirad 3 team. Makikita nyo dyan, yan ang store ko, Almirad 3 team. Napakaganda ng tindahan. Nagpa-deliver ako ng pizza para sa lahat ng staff ko. And dun sa 3 staff na naka-day off, sabi ko sa kanila, ititreat ko na lang sila ng separate. So, yung pizza na yan is para sa lahat. Yan, masayang-masaya sila dyan kasi kahit daw hindi sure kung makakakuha kami ng sales incentive, ako na daw yun ang libre para sa kanila. Sabi ko naman, pagbutihan lang nila, wala namang masama sa akin na ilibre ko sila lagi. Yan si Ma'am Karen, sabi ko sa kanya habang binubuksan niya yung pizza, mas galingan niya lalo at lalo na dun sa upcoming na klase niya kasi may klase siya next week. So, ayan. O, diba? Ang sasaya nila kasi deserve daw naman talaga ng lahat ng staff na ma-appreciate sila. Lagi ko naman silang na-appreciate at lagi ko naman silang sinasabihan na good job, salamat sa lahat ng extra effort na ginagawa nila sa tindahan, and at the same time, level of initiative ng mga staff ko is hindi na talaga matatawaran ng kahit sino kasi may kusa talaga sila pagdating sa trabaho. Pero syempre may naisip na kalokohan ng ma'am nyo. Naisip ko na i-prank si Sinol at lokohin si Sinol. Dadating siya ng 2 o'clock at sasabihin ko sa kanya na nag-order siya ng pizza at siya yung magbabayad na nireceive ko na. Matutuwa ka dun sa staff na yan. Talagang happy feel ko siya. Makikita niyo dyan mamaya. Kaya abangan natin yung kalokohan ng Ma'am Juday ninyo. Disclaimer lang po sa lahat ng nanonood. Baka sabihin nyo po may petex lang kami. Wala po kaming customer dyan. Kaya hinahayaan ko silang kumain. You order pizza?
Me?
Yeah.
No, I don't know.
How come? This one named daw for you, Senal. That's why I pay. 91 reals.
I don't order.
91 reals. I don't know. I pay, you will pay me. This one, oh. See?
I not order pizza.
Ah.
I don't have this mobile number also. Maybe another Suno, any restaurant, another restaurant.
No, Sinal Vikramaratne. I asked the what is the mobile number? La, what?
Ayan eh.
What Haynet? Hoy!
I not
Ask Ma'am
order.
Karen. Ask Ma'am Karen.
Karen.
Ay naku, bahala ka dyan. I'm straight to the delivery guy, no? Kasi ano ba? I'm straight to the delivery guy. And then, I tell that Sinal is 2 o'clock pa.
I don't have mobile number also that.
I don't know, maybe some of your friends and then, put your name.
I don't trust that.
How come? Yeah, and then I check no, see, that's why we eat already 1 piece. That's because I pay that you will pay for me.
By order, I only
yes, Sinol pala, di ba, no?
this one pineapple cheese.
Ano
Not pineapple cheese.
Some
Pizza,
pineapple.
oh yeah, there is
pizza
pineapple, there
yeah.
is
No, there is
jalapeno.
spicy, there is barbecue
Too much,
also.
no?
Yeah.
Then I'm sure to the delivery guy. He's waiting there
It's your
to,
name, no?
take-
Sinol Vikramarane.
I not order, huh?
Oh, then why they deliver
Hoy!
Really, I not order.
Oh, what I will do to that one?
I paid that one, no?
Uy, you go swimming
Yeah,
na.
alatul
You
ano,
go
ha?
swimming?
No.
How come no? See your...
Uy, what happened to your, ano?
The sunburn.
I have, ano, here.
The sunburn.
Look,
Tignan mo
oh,
yung
look.
mukha niya,
This
oh.
one, look, once you put. Oh. Oh, see? Put.
Really, I not order.
Ay, naku, bahala ka dyan. I will not pay. You need to pay me. Hoy!
Yala, just ano na lang to, Ma'am July. I thought you take already your ano.
Your
salary
ATM.
when you order.
Working na your ATM?
Yeah, now.
You, oh, see? Yeah, that's why you order this one.
Really,
Guys, say
No
hi,
problem.
guys.
If you cannot pay this one today, I will wait. No problem. Ay, everyday increasing, ha? 91 reals. If tomorrow, 95 reals.
Yan naman si Valentine, napakasayahing bata din naman yan. Pero mas matanda pa siya sa akin. Pero napakagalang talaga niya. Tuwang-tuwa ako dyan lagi. So, paalam na guys. Hanggang sa muli.